In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change profile avatar in Janitor AI. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to make your new picture show up across your account without any confusion. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Janitor AI. You should see the official site appear near the top of the results. Click the result that leads to janitorai.com. This ensures you're on the correct website and avoids any lookalike pages. Once the homepage loads, look toward the top right corner of the screen for your profile area. You'll typically see your current avatar or a default placeholder there. Click it to open your account options. From that small menu, choose Settings. This will take you to your profile settings page, where you can adjust personal details, including your avatar. On the settings page, find the avatar section. Look for the upload icon. It's often displayed as a camera or an image placeholder. Click that icon to open your device's file picker. Here, you'll select the image you want to use as your new profile avatar. Take a moment to choose a clear, high-quality picture. A square image usually works best so it doesn't crop awkwardly. JPEG or PNG formats are the most reliable, and a simple, uncluttered background will keep your avatar looking sharp at small sizes. If you're switching from a wide landscape photo, consider selecting a version that centers your face or main logo so it remains recognizable after upload. After you select your image, you'll see it previewed in the avatar area. If it looks good, confirm by clicking Save Changes. This step is important. Without saving, the new image won't apply. Give the site a brief moment to update. In many cases, your new avatar will appear right away at the top right of the page. If it doesn't show immediately, don't worry. Sometimes it can take a short while to refresh across the site. That's all there is to it. You went to Google, searched for Janitor AI, opened the official website, accessed your profile in the top right, entered settings, used the upload icon to pick your new picture, and saved your changes. Your profile now has a fresh look that represents you better wherever your avatar appears. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your updated Janitor AI profile.